Hey, listen. We're all in strung-out shape. But stay frosty and alert. We can't afford to let one of those bastards in here.
All right. Oh.
How long's it been since you got any sleep? 24 hours?
Hicks, I'm not gonna end up like those others. You'll take care of it, won't you?
If it comes to that, I'll do us both. Listen, let's just make sure it doesn't come to that. All right? Hey, I want to introduce you to a personal friend of mine. This is an M41A Pulse Rifle, 10 millimeter, with an over and under 30 millimeter pump-action grenade launcher. Feel the weight.
Okay, what do I do?
Okay, pull it in tight here.
Right.
Lean into it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now we'll kick some. All right, when the counter reads 0 here, you...
I press this up?
That's right. All right, get another one in quick. Slap it in hard.
Right.
You're ready to rock and roll.
What's this?
That's the grenade launcher. I don't think you want to mess with that.
You started this. Show me everything. I can handle myself.
Yeah, I noticed.